Having both a save and reset button can assist users. After collecting data, users can save it and then reset the form to its fillable state for the next user. In PDF Element, find the Form tab and find Push button. Let's add a button to our document. Double-click to rename to Save button. In the Options category, we're going to enter Save button. And in the Actions category, let's choose Save As under Execute a Menu item. And in that same Actions tab, let's choose another action. This time we'll choose Reset a Form, and make sure to select All. Now we have added a button that's going to help us to save and reset for the next person.